In recent years, financial technology has been evolving quickly, especially in the area of automated trading and intelligent market systems. One platform that has been gaining attention in this space is Havenley. Rather than positioning itself as just another trading interface, Havenley presents itself as a technology-driven platform designed to help users interact with markets through automation, structure, and a stronger focus on awareness around risk. The core idea behind Havenley is fairly straightforward. Many people are interested in participating in financial markets, but the reality is that markets move continuously and require constant attention. Monitoring charts, interpreting signals, and reacting to changing conditions can be time-consuming and complex, especially for individuals who already run businesses or manage busy schedules. Havenley approaches this challenge by developing automated systems intended to assist users in navigating these environments more efficiently. Now, instead of emphasizing constant manual interaction, the platform focuses on automation and structured strategies. In practical terms, this means users can rely on technology to help monitor conditions and execute predefined approaches without requiring round-the-clock supervision. The concept is similar to how institutions often operate in financial markets, where systems and algorithms handle much of the repetitive analysis and execution. A recent development that highlights Havenley's approach is the introduction of enhanced risk awareness tools. According to announcements covered by outlets such as Yahoo Finance and Digital Journal, these tools were designed to provide users with clearer insights into the dynamics of market exposure and decision-making processes. Rather than simply focusing on potential outcomes, the platform aims to encourage users to better understand the environment they are operating in. Another aspect highlighted in the platform's messaging is the importance of efficiency. Many founders, entrepreneurs, and professionals are interested in financial markets but lack the time required to manage strategies manually. Havenley's automation framework aims to reduce the operational burden, allowing users to engage with the market in a way that fits into their existing schedules rather than dominating them. At the same time, the company's messaging suggests that technology should not be viewed as a shortcut to outcomes, but as infrastructure that supports better participation. Automated systems, data analysis, and monitoring tools can provide structure, but they still operate within the broader complexity of financial markets. By emphasizing awareness alongside automation, Havenley appears to be trying to balance convenience with responsibility. Now, from a broader perspective, platforms like Havenley represent a part of a larger shift happening across financial technology. Over the past decade, automation has transformed industries ranging from logistics to software development, and financial markets are increasingly following the same trajectory. As tools become more sophisticated, the focus moves from manual execution towards system-based approaches that can operate continuously and adapt to changing conditions. Now, Havenley's development of new risk awareness tools reflects this direction. The goal is not simply to automate activity, but to create systems that provide insight, context, and structure around how users interact with markets. In other words, the platform is attempting to combine automation with informed participation. Now, for those interested in exploring the platform further, more information about Havenley and its technology can be found on the official website at havenley.com in the description down below, as well as through recent articles discussing the company's approach to automation and risk awareness, which I will link for you guys. As financial technology continues to evolve, the intersection between automation, transparency, and responsible participation is likely to remain an important conversation. Havenley's latest updates show how some platforms are approaching that challenge by building tools designed not only to assist users, but also help them better understand the environments that they operate in. Thanks for watching another video. As always, do your own due diligence before investing into anything in the stock market or anything in the world. This is not financial advice, and the markets are difficult, so do your own due diligence. That being said, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and check the description down below, and I will see you all in the next one.